We just got back from the feed store. I got some feed for the animals, and then I got these. 3 zucchinis, 3 cucumber plants. I know I planted some in the garden already, but I wanted to make sure we had some. So I'm going to plant these. Still got to plant some other stuff like some pumpkins down in the garden and probably some more watermelon. But this will probably be the end of the major stuff. I'll probably do a couple more plantings of corn and a couple more plantings of bean just to do succession plantings. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else at the store that I want to buy, so this will probably do it. The handle on the freezer is a little bit wobbly, so in order to fix it, there's a couple set screws underneath there. Lots of fun because you can only turn them a half at a time. Let's see if we can do this. Come on, get in there. Well, that's better. See what he's got? Show him what you got. Say, thanks, Simon.
Thanks.
Simon.
No.
You got to. No. Thanks, Simon. Well, the 3 oldest are at dive, and the 3 youngest are with my wife at one of their friends' birthday parties. Simon had asked about feeding the pigs. I don't know if you guys can hear me. And I am guilty of doing things and not showing them all too often. I just need to take a couple extra minutes and set up the camera so I can show you guys. I honestly don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but I got the pig bucket. I'm gonna go feed the pigs and try to show you guys. Okay, in my defense, it is really, really windy. So if all you guys are getting is wind noise, I apologize. They love table scraps. They are big fans. Happy, happy American Guinea Hogs. And that will be gone in literally less than a minute, all that stuff. I showed you that I bought those cucumbers and zucchinis. Well, the chickens decided to jump through them and we're starting to smash them up a little bit. So I put them in the raised bed here where they're protected. I'm gonna head down to the garden. I've got about 20 minutes before I need to go pick up the oldest kids from swim, dive, whatever we're doing. Can't keep my days straight. And I figure that gives me time to plant these 6 plants real quick. As long as I don't get dirty. I'm not gonna sweat because it's cool and it's windy, so let's get to it. See how quickly I can get this done. I've got about 10 minutes now. I should be able to do it. By the way, I like this topper for the 5-gallon bucket. Nice, soft, cushy pad. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really, really windy, but let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you because that's what we do on this channel. I didn't look very closely at these cucumbers and zucchinis when I bought them. I had kids need to come in and go to the bathroom and blah 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 blah, excuse. I thought I was buying 6 plants, 4 cucumber and 2 zucchini. I didn't look very close. I was buying 24 plants, 8 zucchini, and 16 cucumbers. 4 of the vine type and 4 of the I'm gonna get wet here. The bush variety. So I needed to work really fast. In fact, I need to water really fast too. I'm gonna water these and then I gotta go pick up the kids. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so yeah, that took longer than I had hoped because I had to plant more than I'd hoped. And now there's a dude on a homemade motorcycle going under the speed limit. Yay. Anyway, I'm heading to pick them up. Then I'm going to take Aquaman to church group. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, join the Homestead Dad group on Facebook. It is a lot of fun. It is a great place to share ideas, topics, what you're doing in your garden. And don't forget to click on that bell. You don't want to miss the live streams. I get a little bit crazy, let me tell you. Anyway, thanks so much, and ta-ta for now.